on one thing. I'm pumped. All right, boys and girls, I'm back out here jug fishing, and one of them's flipped. I gotta go get it. Oh, there, yeah, it's spinning now. Something is pulling on this good. I got it. Holy. Okay. No. Nope, it's still on. This is like pulling me pretty good. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yes. Dang, dude. Look at this thing. Yes. Nice, bro. I knew you were hefty. I knew you were hefty. Yeah. Let's get this hook out of your mouth. Oh my gosh, I got another one on. Okay. I think this flipped. Yeah, that's flipped. Two flipped? No, just one. Lord, I don't know. Let's go see what we got. It's moving. Like it knows. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, another blue. Get it in the boat. I got two on one thing. Oh my gosh. No wonder the sucker was moving. Holy cow, bro. Let's get this out of your mouth. One. And then... 2. I'm pumped. That was definitely good. Definitely good. All right, I got another one on, and it's pulling pretty good. I can see it all the way from shore. I saw it disappear into the water. So let's go see what we got. It's moving. Something's still in it. Another blue. Get on in here, buddy. You didn't even take the bait. You just got hooked. The minnow's dead though. Another one. You go down right there. And there. This is a really long way over here. We're gonna scoot. Got another one. This one's yanking pretty good. It might be, I don't know. Okay, so it's on the bottom. It's a decent sized channel. Barely hooked. Dude, put a whooping on them today. I think I got like 8 fish in there. Ice chest is full. It means the freezer's about to be real full. Yay! It's been a good day.